In this video of TechTube, I'm going to show you how to log into your Santander bank. If you are also enrolled for the online banking of Santander, then in this video, let me show you how to log in. This is going to be a short and easy video, so let's jump right in. Search for santanderbank.com. Once you search for this, it's going to take you to the website of Santander Bank. Now to log into your account, you can see an option of login on the top right. If you click on it, this login page of online banking will open up. Now in the first box, you'll need to type in the username. And in the second box, also type in the password. If you don't remember the username or the password that you created while signing up, you can click on the forgot user ID or the forgot password link and then follow the steps to recover either of these information. Once you typed in both of these information, click on login and you'll be logged into the online banking of Santander. Other than the online banking, if you click on this arrow, you can see there are other types of accounts that you can log into. If you also have these accounts, you can log into it by selecting the account and then typing in the details. So that's how easily you can log in to your online banking of Santander Bank. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily tutorials that we post. That's pretty much it for today. Thanks for watching.